What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your logo trademark. If you're trying to get your logo, brand name, business name, anything like that, I literally have found the cheapest method that you can do to get your brand or logo trademark. So when it comes to trademark and why you want to get a trademark is because you want that brand protection. You don't want somebody to be coming along, taking all of your hard work that you did to build your brand and your company and your brand name, literally selling counterfeit products of your items or stealing your business. Honestly, they could probably, if you don't trademark your logo, they could literally steal your logo, trademark it, and tell you to, change your logo and your brand name. It's crazy. So you really need brand protection when it comes to selling products online or creating a brand or a business. You really need that brand protection. I literally found the best and cheapest way to get a trademark. Honestly, this is the cheapest way I found. You're gonna save like $2,000 or $3,000. People are paying that much to get their logo trademark for a local attorney. Nope, this is gonna be only $45 to do a trademark. And if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. All this information is always free, and I sell full-time on Amazon and online. Help you guys out as much as possible. And this right here in front of me is the website that I use to get my logo trademark. If you want to use this website, I'm going to have a link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments, so you can go straight to this website. And this is the attorney that I use to get my brand and logo trademark. Honestly, I have 3 active trademarks right now currently, and the whole process is real easy to do. Why I recommend you to do an attorney than to do it yourself, honestly, is because the whole process to get a trademark takes around 6 months. So you do not want to waste time in getting declined, because you have to wait another 6 months if you get declined, and then you also waste all the money for the application fees. So you do not want to do it yourself. I've been selling online pretty much my whole entire life, working online, working for myself. I couldn't do it. It's very, very hard, very difficult, very confusing. Instead, I found this person. This is an attorney here, and the whole process is very, very easy. So it's $45 for a trademark search. And what this trademark search involves is that he gets your brand name or your logo or anything that you have, and then he'll do some trademark search. It takes around 3 to 4 days for him to complete the search for you, but he'll tell you whether or not your logo or your name get trademarked. There might be other companies out there that have a very similar brand name or a logo or anything like that. I recommend each do the trademark search, and this premium one here has the trademark search and the trademark application. So $45 for the trademark search, $45 to do the trademark application. This is the one I usually do. I always do a trademark search to see whether or not my logo get trademarked. And then after the trademark application, he actually does a whole YouTube video of how to do the whole process. Like, he literally does a private YouTube video, and he sends you a file of what to put into the USPTO website, walks you through the whole process. It literally takes 1 minute to do, and then that's it. You're done. You have your company ready to go. Easiest process to get a trademark. I'm telling you, like, I know people that have spent $2,000 or more doing a trademark. This is the cheapest route you can do to get a trademark. $45 for a trademark search, $45 for filing your trademark. I've gotten, like I said, 3 brands trademarked using this person. Everything's super legit, and they have 5 stars with over 3,000 reviews, bunch of great reviews. It's great. You can even this guy even offers stuff relating to patents, copyrights, designs, anything like that, anything legal service. This is my go-to guy. If you want to use this link, like I said, I'm going to have a link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. Super easy to get a logo trademark, fastest process that I have seen, and hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. If you're new to this channel, like I said, hit that subscribe button and like this video if you can. That's all I ask from you guys. Hopefully this helps. Peace.